Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a flag fold shirt. This is a Shibori technique, but I'm just calling it a flag fold. To do this fold, you want to fold your shirt into 6 equal sections, and then you want to flag fold from there. So to begin, I'm folding my shirt in half. Then I'm going to fold my shirt down, probably about 2/3 of the way, and then back up again. That will be 3 of my folds. To do this, you just kind of have to work with your folds to make sure you get them equal. So you'll see me kind of move them up and down and adjust them to make sure I get them lined up properly. The sleeve also has to be folded on top of these folds as well, making sure to keep it within this area. Now I need to fold the other side of my shirt. So to do that, I'm going to put one hand at the top of my shirt, one hand at the bottom of my shirt. I'm going to pinch it and I'm going to fold it over. Then I'm going to turn my shirt over and adjust my folds a little bit to make sure everything's lined up. Then I'm folding my other sleeve in where it needs to be. So now that I have my shirt divided into 6 areas and folded, I'm going to do the flag fold. So I'm starting at the hem of my shirt, I'm taking that hem, and I'm turning it up toward the right side of the folds. Then folding it down, taking it up, turning it toward the left side of my folds, folding it down, and continuing that pattern till I get to the end. It gets a little bit more difficult when you hit the area where your sleeves are, because there are so many folds in that area. This is where I wish I had much larger hands where I could hold it together a little bit better, but you'll see me, I just stop and adjust it several times to make sure I get all of those pieces of fabric from the sleeves and everything else where it's supposed to be. Once I have all my folds where I want them to be, I use some rubber bands to hold it into place. Okay, so what you should end up with when it's all folded is one big triangle. Okay, now that our shirt is all folded and tied up, it's ready to dye. For this one, I'm just going to use one single color. I'm using Dharma's Dances with Raisins. I'm applying dye only to the two outside areas of the triangle and leaving the middle and the top portion white. I know that this dye is going to wick and it's going to come more into the white area than what I've put it on here, but that's why I'm leaving a little extra white, is so that as the dye runs, I'll still have a little bit of white left. Alright, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. If you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.